For today's response to reading, you will need to sign on to Schoology and find the assignment you see here. For today's response, we'll be talking about Martin Luther King. You should have watched the Kid President video before this assignment. You have two options that you can write about. The first option right here says, number 1, why is it important to take a day off of school and reflect upon Martin Luther King Jr.'s life? Make sure you double click on this white box here and type your response if you choose to do option 1. I need you to make sure that you have 5 sentences as well. Option 2 says, number 2, MLK believed that things can always be better. Why is it important to try to make things better? Once again, make sure you have 5 completed sentences and type in this box here if you are completing option number 2. When you are done typing either option 1 or option 2, you can pick one or the other, make sure you check your spelling punctuation before submitting it for your teacher.